Okay, in this first step we're going to go ahead and learn how to position our part and our fixture into our CAM template file. As you can see, I have my little fixture design here, I have my part, and I have my stock model. So let's go ahead and hit New Document, go to CAM, choose the template we want, say OK. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use automatic positioning. So I'm going to hit the automatic execution button. I want to position onto my C0, which would be, or my C system 0, which would be this face here. So I'll say OK. I'm going to simply go over to here, window select everything, choose this coordinate system, which is at the back center of my fixture. Say OK, or click it, pardon me, and you can see it loads it up. So next what we want to do is we're going to define where our initial 0 is going to be on this part. So I'm going to go to coordinate system, pick my point, or coordinate system on point, go here, and I'm going to choose middle point. Or maybe we want it to be the middle point of our stock, but on the top finish face of the part here. So what I'll do is I'll use a projected point. My reference point will actually be the middle point between here and there, and I want to project down to this planar face here. Okay? Now, I don't want to delete these points because they're now drivers of that coordinate system, but I don't want to see them either, so I'm just going to go to Element Visibility and blank them out so we don't see them anymore. And now we're going to go ahead and tell the software that that's the stock, that's the finish, and that's our 0. So we'll go to Create a Workpiece. I'm going to pick my stock model, then I'm going to pick my finished part, then I'm going to pick my 0, choose my material. And last, I'm going to go to Bind Machine Element. I'm going to select my fixture and tell it to follow the kinematic of the tombstone so that during simulation the fixture moves with everything. And lastly, I'm going to go to my Work Coordinate System pull-down menu and go to List. And I'm going to set the 0 correctly. So what I'm going to do is select it, right-click and choose Modify. Go to my Work Offsets and set 1. So this will be P1. Last thing I'm going to do is go to Work Coordinate System, Create Automatic. And here you can see the software creates 5 WCSs. It creates one at an angle for the chamfers, creates one through the back this way, which we're not going to use. We're not going to use those angles. So what I'm going to do is just delete those right away because I don't want them. Now I'm going to go back to my WCS list. There's my B90, and you can see it highlights over here. I'm going to right click on that, choose Modify. I'm going to set that to 2 or 20 or to whatever you want. I'm going to go to here, right click Modify, and set that to 3. Now we're ready to start programming.